Hey guys, Ian here with Exteriors Plus, also out with Andy, the project manager for this job. We thought we'd do a spotlight on the Edco steel roofing system that we're installing behind us. Andy, let's talk about it. What do you think of it?
This Airline Slate is it's a Class A fire rated shingle. It's got 160 mile/hour wind that it can uphold. And as you notice, this color is actually an enhanced color. It has like a natural shadow in here.
Okay,
it kind of gives it like a nice different look than the standard colors.
Okay, what's the warranty on something like this?
It's a 30-year fade warranty on it.
Okay.
And then it's a lifetime warranty on the shingle.
On the shingle, wow. Just their fade warranty beats most people's actual warranty.
Correct. Wow. Yep. They do stand behind their products, and that's why we like, using a solid product for the homeowners.
The Edco steel.
Yeah.
All right. Well, if you guys have any questions, you can get us at our website, exteriorsplusmn.com. You can also check us out on Facebook, or you can reach out to Andy or myself. We'd be happy to come out and take a look and show you guys this awesome product. Have a wonderful day.